and production department where we do our high volume custom framing. We are so lucky to have what we call our auto saw, which we've modified and improved to make mass framing and frame production unique and quick and fast. We've actually taken away overseas business. Our customers cannot wait for a flux of demand to be able to wait on containers in this world where our supply chain is real and nobody has time to wait. Everything that we are making here is delivered to our customers the same week. We stock very, very heavy in the molding that is needed by art and art producers that ship things online in high volume. I'm going to show you how we cut this to maximize inventory and their levels of activity by being very quick to market. We deliver all of this product. If you see this wood saw, we're actually able to cut and join these frames thousands and thousands per week by utilizing these machines which we invested in last year and the year before at our company. We know the art market is expanding. People are staying home more. Home decor has never been more important, and we need to be ready. And why not make that in America, which is literally our wood is made here in America. We're converting this in America. We feel super proud to be able to help our customers in a way that is much quicker. That means they don't have as much inventory on the floor. And for us, we're very proud to be delivering things made in America for very important art companies around the world.